Well, hello everybody. Spring has sprung. The first day of spring. Does it look like it to you? Something like -14 today. Been a while since I did a video, but that's because it's so damn cold out here and my shop's not heated. So I got a few things I got to finish up this year. Dump trailer for one. Got a few parts there. I got the hydraulic power pack for that I'm going to put in. And I got to put some decking down, so hopefully we'll get that one once it warms up a few more degrees. And the other day I was on the buy and sell, and I found another little dirt bike project. This one's for me. It's been a long time since I had a dirt bike, but my son says he wants someone to ride with when his friends aren't around, so I picked myself up a little beater. When you see it, you're going to laugh, but alright, there's my bike. It's a 2001 Yamaha YZ125. Almost complete. It is missing a few things. This fella had taken it apart to rebuild it, and of course got in over his head, as people are apt to when they realize just how much is involved when you start stripping them down like this. By the looks of it, he stripped everything off, painted the frame, started to put it together, and just either gave up or was overwhelmed. I'm not sure which, but his loss is our gain, right? Bucket full of parts. This is all the plastics are there this time, and they're not damaged. I even get a spare rear fender. The thing about him is he painted them, but he did a horrible job. You can see here he didn't sand it, or so I'll probably maybe sand it down a little bit, prime it up, and try to get a better paint job on it there. You can see he painted white on the blue stuff and blue on the white stuff, and the rad's a little bent, but I checked it for water tightness and it didn't leak, but who knows once it heats up and under pressure, so I may end up getting one rad or two. Coil, exhaust, everything's there. There's my motor. Case was already split for me this time, so it'll save me some work. Yes, hello dog. English Mastiff here. The bottom end's good. I checked that. There's the piston, and that's a little bit more light here. That's really all that's wrong with this. Some scoring. I went ahead and ordered a new one already. I'm not going to put that back in. Ring's free and stuff, but for the price of a piston, why screw with it? Like I said, the bottom end's good. There's no play there. Rotates nice. It is missing a couple of parts. The reed cage and the carb boot are gone, so I gotta source me up a pair of them. And the shifter rod that goes through the transmission and the shifter arm goes on, the end of it snapped off, so I gotta find one of them. So all in all, not too bad. The guy was really careful about bolts and stuff, so I'm one ahead. Looks like all the bolts are there this time, unlike last one. So anyways, that's basically what we're looking at for our next big project. Hopefully have her done in a few weeks when the snow finally does get around to melting. I'm going to load her in the garage here and get out of the cold, because yes, it's friggin' cold out here. Anyways, I just wanted to update you. Apparently YouTube decided that they weren't going to pay people that didn't have 1,000 subscribers anymore, so I'm going to try and shoot for 1,000, because I wouldn't mind a little check to pay for some of these parts. So hey, hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll try to get you some quality videos here.